Hi, I'm Kaz Pearman from What's New in Electronics. I'm at Electronica 2022 and I'm joined today by Andrew from Power Integrations. Good
Hello.
to see you.
It's nice to be here.
Oh, after 4 years, my goodness me, it's been an
It
interesting
has.
time.
And it's great to see the show really busy. We've been rushed off our feet today.
Fantastic.
Which is great.
And what's the general feedback in terms of, obviously this is day 2.
Everybody seems to want something different. There's Electronica, you always see lots of different kinds of customers, but now we're seeing people from everywhere. It's great.
And so when you say everywhere, is that from a global perspective or across industries or?
So something of everything. We've been seeing people from all over the world, from India, from China, lots of people from Western Europe and Eastern Europe, and a big range of applications from appliances through to home business automation, some people making gate drivers, all sorts of different things.
Exciting things, and you've got some other news that you want to share with us today.
Yes, we're introducing a new product at the show. It's called InnoSwitch 4 Pro, and that's associated with the USB PD market, which has been evolving very fast in the last 3 or 4 years. Now it's a higher power market, up to about 240 watts. We needed to introduce a new product that helps with delivering a lot of power very efficiently.
And so what will that look like from a visitor point of view in terms of how you're communicating that, in terms of what it will mean to them?
So on the stand today we have 2 reference designs for the InnoSwitch 4 Pro, and USB PD is configurable output power. So it's really hard to sort of demonstrate that in a static display,
I'm sure.
But what the new products do is showcase how we can make a power supply that is very small, has very few components, and is efficient enough to eliminate heat sinks.
And so from a point of view of lots of conversations we've had across the past couple of days about shortages and supply chain and component shortage and things, is that something that impacts you at Power Integrations, or are you able to kind of know you're fine? Is that something that actually you're ahead of the game at the moment?
Yeah, we're actually doing pretty well right now. We're about 12 weeks lead time across our product range, which is great. The demand in Asia and around the world last year was very high, and that put a pressure under everyone in the supply chain. One of the things we were kind of helpful to our customers with, we have a very small component count for our solutions, so we did quite a lot of support functions for customers who needed to reduce their bill of material.
And so looking ahead for 2023, what are your thoughts in terms of where you see the market going and where you see your latest product going?
Well, the markets, we're in multiple markets. Some are up, some are down. And the most interesting thing for us is this USB PD market really changed power supplies. For many, many years I worked in an industry nobody cared about. Power supplies were something that sat in the corner. But now we have a technology that people want to see smaller, more efficient, more power. And that doesn't slow down. It's still going. So over the next 12 to 18 months, I think we're going to see customers growing into the new USB PD standard, which increase power. Right now, it's up to 240 watts, and very few customers know what to do with 240 watts of rapid charge power. So I have no doubt in the next 2 years, people are going to start showing us applications that we never knew existed for that technology.
And would that cover also sustainability as well, in terms of items that you can, in terms of new homes that are being built, futurizing homes? We're seeing that in the heating and how people heat their homes and the energy crisis. So
what's going on is people are actually, a lot of power users are going away from the ubiquitous AC power socket and providing either a Type C or a Type A connector on their power plug to avoid the extra conversion stage of a power converter. Of course, there is a power converter inside the inside the AC socket, but the advantage you get is that now you can just plug anything in. So what we're seeing is a move that's starting to move away from AC power for everything, and that has some interesting implications for household consumption if that continues.
Fantastic. Andrew, thank you so much for your time today. Enjoy the rest of your show.
Thank you very much.